Oh, what's up, guys? We're back. Got this nifty little microphone, and I just recorded this video, and the microphone was too close to the harmonica, and it was very, very loud. So we're gonna do a retake here. Peggy May, round two, actually technically round three, but don't worry about that. My favorite song off Rapscallion by far. Great classic Murlocs, kind of slow and jammy. Good little ballad song. I wanted to start here because I loved it, and it's a simple harmonica song. So let's just dive into the tutorial here. Let me know, by the way, what your guys' favorite songs are off Rapscallion. I fucking love this album. All right, so tutorial: 6 blow, 6 draw, 7 draw. That's all you really need to know. It's a slow walk up and then a quick walk down the same holes 2 times in a row, and then the third time it's a slow walk up and then a slow walk down. That's part one to the intro. We'll play it now. A little more emotion in that last one. Yeah, very simple. That's part one of the intro. And then part two is the same holes, 6 and 7. You're going to do a quick 6 blow, 6 draw, hold that, and then go up to 7 draw, back to 6 draw, back to 6 blow. I'll play it 2 or 3 times in a row here, and yeah, it's also pretty simple, but it's a little funkier. Here we go. Voila! That's Rapscallion. I'm not sure how I like this mic setup. We'll see what we can do. We'll probably do some play around with it a little bit longer, but let me know what you guys think, and let me know what we should do next. That was just a quick one to get the juices flowing again, and we will get some more King Gizzard and Murlocs tutorials coming. I also want to do some, like, with this microphone, some kind of funny street interviews, asking people if they know who King Gizzard is, and if they do, talk to them about it. If they don't, probably just get their reaction of saying King Gizzard and the Lizard Wizard and move on. But I don't know. You might see some street interviews pop up, or some random other stuff on this channel. I don't want to stick to harmonicas only, even though I do love the harmonica. Alrighty, we'll see you guys in the next one.